A week of fat-reducing recipes. Source: Fitness Guide. Scientific and effective way to lose weight is still to control diet plus exercise, form habits, let the body adapt. Eating is very important. Here is a week of fat-reducing recipes, taking 10 pounds of meat for 7 days. On Monday. Breakfast, a meal, buns plus low-fat yogurt, B meal, bacon sandwich plus milk, coffee. Lunch, a meal, dry noodles plus gongmao soup, B meal, egg salad sandwich plus low-fat fresh milk. Dinner, a meal, tea egg, boiled egg, 1 plus milk, coffee, B meal, brown rice, oat. Tips: the menu can be combined with A or B meals. Do not eat for 4 hours before going to bed. If you can't find the menu, you can find similar, except DIY can also be directly purchased. If the quantity is not specified, it is a bowl or a cup, the size is small. If the drink is not indicated, use low-calorie, low-fat, sugar-free, both hot and cold. On Tuesday. Breakfast, a meal, decoction pack, small 2 plus soy milk, B meal, 2 slices of toast plus milk, coffee. Lunch, a meal, Guangdong porridge, B meal, ham egg sandwich plus fruit juice. Dinner, a meal, vegetable radish soup, B meal, brown rice, oat flakes. Tips: Guangdong porridge is a famous Han flavor in Guangdong. Practice: slice the pig liver and use hot water to remove the blood. Put rice and hot boiled water in a dish, cover with high heat for 8 minutes, remove and add 2 spoons of pork liver, raw pork, shrimp and salt, and a half spoon of white pepper. Cover the high fire for 3 minutes, remove the chopped green onion and fritters. On Wednesday. Breakfast, a meal, taro plus soy milk, rice pulp, B meal, low-fat yogurt. Lunch, a meal, cold noodles plus sugar-free black tea, B meal, squid sandwich plus lucheng original juice. Dinner, a meal, Sichuan soup, B meal, brown rice slices, oat flakes. Tips: the squid is the best in the sea. Its meat is naturally orange-red, with high nutritional value, rich in protein, high intramuscular fat, high vitamins and other trace elements. The lipid in the muscle of red meat fish is higher than that of white meat fish, and its fatty acid is mostly unsaturated fatty acid. Thursday. Breakfast, a meal, quiche plus milk, coffee, B meal, cucumber sandwich plus milk tea. Lunch, a meal, green bean curd soup, B meal, a box of sushi, 6 plus sugar-free black tea. Dinner, a meal, rice noodle soup, B meal, brown rice, oat flakes. Tips: the practice of green bean curd soup is also relatively simple. A little chicken, a box of tender tofu. Remove the tofu and cut the small diced. Into the pan, pour the broth. Add salt, sugar, a little, pepper, pour the tofu, add a little thick raw water after boiling, chicken tortoise cut the size of the bean curd, put it into the pot for a while, start the pot. Put a little sesame oil to the pan. Friday. Breakfast, a meal, 3 dumplings plus soy milk, rice pulp, B meal, brown rice, oat flakes. Lunch, a meal, royal rice ball plus sugar-free oolong tea, B meal, ham egg sandwich plus low-fat milk. Dinner, a meal, green ribs soup, B meal, 1 slice of toast plus milk, coffee. The practice of green vegetable ribs soup: after cutting the small ribs, pour the water, remove the floating foam, wash it with warm water, and wash the impurities. Drain the washed ribs into a saucepan, add enough water, add cooking wine, 1 or 2 mushrooms, a piece of ginger, and season with salt. After the fire is boiled, simmer for 2 to 3 hours on a small fire. Before you drink, put the washed vegetables into the fire and boil over high heat. On Saturday. Breakfast, a meal, biscuit plus soy milk, rice pulp, B meal, 2 slices of toast plus low-fat yogurt. Lunch, a meal, salty porridge, choose optional, B meal, tomato macaroni plus sugar-free tea, white boiled water. Dinner, a meal, hot green vegetables plus Sichuan soup, B meal, brown rice slices, oat flakes. Tips: Sichuan tang is a well-known spleen-eaten recipe for Chinese medicine. Among them, 4 gods refers to the 4 sacred gods of Huanren, which are combined to complement each other. The soup water has many benefits for the human body, such as spleen, beauty, and dryness. It has almost played the role of invincible, and the name of the 4 gods is well deserved. Sunday. Breakfast, a meal, buns plus soy milk, rice pulp, B meal, boiled eggs, tea eggs, 1 plus milk, coffee. Lunch, a meal, hot vegetables plus tofu soup, B meal, sandwich plus lucheng original juice. Dinner, a meal, kelp radish soup, B meal, brown rice, oat flakes. Tips: kelp radish soup is a Han Chinese medicinal diet, belonging to Cantonese cuisine. Cut the radish and peel it into small pieces. Put the radish, kelp and ginger on the 1500 ml water in the pot and boil it. When the water rolls again, turn it into a small fire until the radish and kelp are cooked and rotten. Finally, add the gauze bag. Other ingredients are cooked for another 15 minutes.